Hi, my name is Hudson, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the gold and jade crown. For starters, this crown is from the Silla Kingdom in Korea. You can see a map up on the top left corner, and helped us form our understanding of Silla culture during this time period. Speaking of this time period, this artwork was made during the 5th to 6th century. It was made with metal working methods and used quite a bit of valuable resources inside of its creation, which we will touch on that later. Next, we will be going over possible uses for the crown. The first and most probable use of the crown would have been its use in a funerary ceremony. This could have been a crown that was used in a ceremony to honor the dead, such as a funeral, or it could have been buried inside the tomb with the dead, similar to how the terracotta warriors were buried inside of a tomb in order for the dead to take the item into the afterlife. The next possible use for the crown could have just been as a symbol for importance of whoever was wearing it. We know that this crown was a queen's crown due to its design elements as well as its valuable materials. These materials we will touch on later, but the overall shape of the crown and its thinness would imply that it was not worn often and that it would have been worn for a ceremony of some kind, which it is important in a ceremony to know who is important. Finally, we're going to talk about the materials used to create this work of art. First of all, the gold used in this work is precisely cut into a certain shape in order to achieve the base of the artwork. Along with this, if you look down towards the left of the screen, you can see what appear to be leaves attached to the crown. These are small gold flakes that have been precisely cut and attached to the crown and are very delicate, further showing that this would have been used in a ceremony of some kind. Along with the gold, you can see small bits of jade scattered throughout the crown, and while they might just look like Cheetos, they are a very important detail in this crown's making. They're very important due to the fact that jade is a very hard element to acquire and a resource to work with. The amount of time that goes into carving each one of these small jade pieces starts with finding the resource, which at the time was a very hard thing to do. Soon after that, they would carve it down using a sort of sandpaper technique because they were not able to just directly mold it or chip away what they don't want, which made the process to make all of these small pieces of jade in this certain shape much longer. Finally, I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you have a good night, and I hope you learned something.